So I have such light for camera and I want to mount it to my 3D printer for additional light source. And this light has small skirt on bottom, and 3D printer has aluminum profile on top of it with 20 by 20 size. So my plan is to make mount with slot and slot for skirt of the light. Let's start with model. So the first thing which I need to do is import aluminum frame, and I have found on internet this model, and it perfectly fits for my goal. To actually be able to use this model, I need to create a mesh from it. So I'm going to switch to part mode, select object, and go to part menu and create shape from mesh. Okay. Now I can delete original model, and I have model which I can use for reference. I can reference edges, sides, all points. Now when I'm back to part design, I need to create pub shape binder to be able to reference it inside sketch, and I can hide model and create sketch on XY plane. I need to repeat this shape since I want to slide in this mount. I, now I'll just repeat this shape. Now when I'm done, I need to use external geometry tool and mark edges, which I'm going to use as a reference for constraints. Now I can hide binder and use dimension tool to add some 0.2 spacing. This line should be constrained horizontally. Same for this one. And spacing for few other lines. These 2 points should be aligned vertically, same as these lines. These two should be parallel. These two should be parallel, same, and same for this. It, it's better to make these two equal in length and small gap here. These 2 points also need to be aligned, but horizontally, same as this. And as final part, make these 2 points horizontal aligned. And this part is done. Now I need to make this part 3 mm thick, and shape is done. Now I can use pad and make it about 25 mm deep. As you can see, model perfectly repeats shape with small gap, and the last step is add slot for light skirt. So I am going to start with sketch here. So for skirt, I'm going to create panel geometry here and start drawing shape like this. This constraint here is redundant, so I should remove it. This should be horizontal and this vertical, same as this. The skirt is 18.2 millimeters wide and 2.2 millimeters thick. And gap should be a depth of 1 millimeter. Size is 0.4 millimeters. And I can make this equal. And these two lines also should be equal, with symmetric to origin. Remove redundant and slot for light skirt is done. And I can carve 23 millimeter slot and add small side to finish it. I need to mark these two lines and draw a rectangle, close it. Now I can use pad with 2.2 millimeters length. Now it's done, and I have mount for camera light, which slides into V slot on my 3D printer.